If you're experiencing connection errors in Call of Duty, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for connection issues. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the problem persists, try adjusting your network settings. This may include changing your DNS settings, enabling UPnP, or port forwarding specific ports used by Call of Duty. Refer to your router's manual for guidance on these adjustments. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors and enjoy your gaming experience. If issues continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.